I'm cooking mussels on the barbecue today in a creamy pesto sauce with some grilled lettuces. So I'm going to cook the mussels in a foil parcel. I'm using a double layer of foil so none of the lovely juices leak out. I've already washed the mussels to give them a clean up and pull off all the beardy bits. And they go into the parcel. And then on top of those goes a lovely dollop of fresh pesto sauce. I toasted some pine nuts and crushed them in a food processor. Added lots of fresh basil and whizzed that into the pine nuts. A good glug of olive oil and a splash of double cream. Grated over some parmesan, added a little crushed garlic and a squeeze of lemon juice, a bit of salt and some black pepper, and then I whizzed that all together to make a creamy sauce. So I'm going to put a lovely big dollop or two of this pesto onto each pile of mussels, and then I'm going to wrap them up really tightly. And then the parcels go straight onto the barbecue. And they'll take about 10 or 15 minutes to steam in their own juices. And I'll turn them once or twice during cooking to make sure they cook through evenly. So I'm going to serve the mussels with some char grilled lettuces. And I'm just going to cut them in half through the root. And I'm going to baste them while they're cooking with a really simple dressing, which is just some olive oil, white wine vinegar, a little caster sugar, some chopped rosemary and some salt and pepper. And I gave that all a really good shake together. So I'm going to brush some of the dressing onto the cut side of the lettuces, being nice and generous. And then they're going to go straight onto the grill bars and they'll take a couple of minutes to char grill. So when you think the mussels are nearly ready, just slide a parcel off and carefully open it up. The mussels need to be really steaming hot and the shells all open. Those look perfect. So to serve up, I've got 2 packets of lovely pesto mussels, some char grilled lettuce and a nice bit of crusty bread to dunk in all those juices. A little bit different from your average barbecue, but very simple and very delicious.